2021 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It features an excellent mix of comfort and handling along with Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.